Hi Year 4. Thanks to those people who sent in their maths from yesterday. We can do a quick bit of feedback about some of the work that you sent in. In yesterday's task, you were asked to represent multiplication calculations. Here we have the calculation 2 times 8 is 16. Now we aren't concerned about the answer, we're thinking just about the representation. Our multiplicand here is 2, and we're going to have that 2 8 times. As a representation, it looks like this. Our multiplicand 2, and we have that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have clearly shown we've got our multiplicand 2 and that we have multiplied it 8 times. Some people yesterday represented the calculation like this. Now, we know that 2 lots of 8 is 16. This is mathematically correct. This shows commutativity. You can do the calculation either way round, switching the multiplicand and the multiplier. Whilst this is mathematically correct, it does not represent the calculation given. This representation shows 8 times 2. Our multiplicand is 8, and we are multiplying it 2 times. Here's another example. Year 4 have ordered new whiteboard pens. They come in packs of 12. They ordered 3 packs. Show how many whiteboard pens they ordered. The calculation is asking you to do here is 12 times 3. I know the answer to that is 36. We have 12, 1 lot of 12, 2 lots of 12, 3 lots of 12. So 12 is our multiplicand and 3 is our multiplier. 3 times 12 is the same. The answer will still be 36. The way we would represent that is different. We would have groups of 3 as our multiplicand is 3. We would have that 3 12 times. Have a go now representing these calculations. Think really carefully about which number is the multiplicand. Whilst showing the commutativity is really useful, and we're going to come on to that next week, it's also really important that we think about how we're representing the calculations shown. Also think about the most effective representation. For larger calculations, you might want to do a bar model or a number line. Showing an array, lots of dots, is quite time consuming when our calculations get larger. Pause the video here and have a go. Here's another question for you. Ziggy says that if he has 30 children in his class and it takes each child 2 minutes to grab their lunchbox, he will have to wait 60 minutes in the queue if he's the last one. Explain, represent the calculation Ziggy used to work this out. You might want to pause here and think about the number sentence. If there are 30 children in Ziggy's class and each takes them 2 minutes, which of those numbers is going to be on multiplicand? Pause, have a think, have a go at representing it. How did you get on? Ziggy here is looking at 30 lots of 2. So he's going to have 2, that 2 minutes, and he's going to have it 30 times. We know that 2 times 3 is 6, and then making that 10 times bigger will be 60. So Ziggy is right. If each child takes 2 minutes in the queue and there are 30 children, he'll be waiting for 60 minutes to get his lunch. He's pretty hungry by the end of that. Hope that helps explain yesterday's lesson. Any questions, send us an email. Bye.